A very warm welcome to this video, which is titled Seeing the Unseen, the Art of Discovering Patterns in Chaos. Today we live in a world inundated with information and overwhelmed by particulars. One of the most valuable skills to cultivate is the ability to perceive patterns. The art of seeing beyond the individual elements to understand the interconnectedness and overarching structures defines innovative thinkers, creative problem solvers, and strategic leaders. This skill, though often subliminal, can be nurtured to enhance our decision making, improve our creativity, and provide us with a deeper understanding of the world. So, how do you go about it? First of all, understanding patterns. Patterns are a series of repetitive elements or themes that form a predictable series of structures. The best example is the background information of microwave in the cosmos. All galaxies evolve from certain predictable, repeatable patterns. They can be graphical, as seen in art or nature, or abstract, as observed in behavioral or systemic patterns. Recognition of these patterns allows us to predict future occurrences and understand complex systems. Whether it is identifying cycles in economic markets or understanding the recurring themes in literature, seeing these patterns gives meaning to chaos and structure to randomness. The next thing is the importance of pattern recognition. Number one, enhance problem solving. When faced with problems, recognizing patterns can streamline the process of solving them. By identifying an existing framework that applies, solutions become more apparent, reducing the difficulty of starting from scratch every time. Number two, strategic thinking. In business, the ability to anticipate market trends and consumer behavior is invaluable. Leaders who can discern patterns in consumer data or market movements make informed decisions that position their companies ahead of the curve. Number three is creativity and innovation. Often, creativity is about making connections between seemingly disparate ideas. Pattern recognition aids creativity by allowing individuals to draw parallels across different domains, leading to innovative solutions and artistic expressions. Next, we come to cultivating the ability to see patterns. The question that remains, can this still be developed, or is it a gift possessed by a few? The good news is that pattern recognition is a skill that can be cultivated through deliberate practice and mindful observation. How do you go about it? Practice mindful observation. Train yourself to notice details and thematic elements in various contexts, like art, nature, conversations, and systems. Engage with materials from different domains to develop a versatile and adaptable mindset capable of drawing connections across fields. The next thing is to engage in multidisciplinary learning. This I always insist in all my talks to school students, to college students, as well as to philosophers and theologians. Expose yourself to broad spectrum of subjects. The arts can ignite creative thinking. Science can improve practical analytical skills. And humanities offer insights into human behavior. This diverse knowledge base facilitates seeing interconnection and recognizing patterns. Use analytical tools. Leverage analytical tools and frameworks that help in deciphering patterns from data-heavy environments. Nowadays, we have a lot of help from the large language model as well as other tools which are in the artificial intelligence domain. From simple tools like spreadsheets to sophisticated software for data analytics, These tools can assist in uncovering the underlying structure of complex systems. Now, let us do a reflection and assimilation of what we have been talking. Spare regular time for reflection. Journaling or engaging in discussions helps digest experiences and insights, allowing the subconscious mind to draw connections and develop a heightened sense of pattern recognition. What are the real world applications? Seeing patterns in nature. Nature is the original masterpiece of patterns. From the Fibonacci sequence in sunflower heads to systemic and symmetrical patterns in snowflakes, the natural world is imbued with repetitive and harmonious designs. Observing these helps us appreciate inherent structures and principles guiding natural phenomena. And can see patterns in business, in corporate realms. Pattern recognition is pivotal in forecasting and strategic planning. Businesses collate vast amounts of consumer data, revealing patterns that inform product development, marketing strategies, and customer service improvement. You can see that if you're regularly buying online, you can see that from the past experience of your buying, they will predict when a new product is available so that you can immediately be drawn to that particular product. Leaders who skillfully interpret these patterns can steer their organization towards substantial success. Where else do we see patterns? Patterns in art. Artists and designers often derive inspiration from identifying and replicating natural and man-made patterns. These patterns not only fuel creativity, but also evoke emotions and convey complex concepts concisely and powerfully. The neuroscience behind patterns is a very important subject with all the knowledge that's available today. The brain is inherently wired for pattern recognition. Neural pathways are established each time we perceive a connection or a sequence, making pattern recognition a fundamental aspect of learning and memory. This cognitive process not only simplifies the complexity of information we encounter, but also aids us in predicting outcomes based on past experiences. Regular mental exercises such as puzzles or strategic games enhance neural plasticity and strengthens this intrinsic ability, making us more adept at seeing the bigger picture in everyday situations. Conclusion. Pattern recognition, often considered the hallmark of intelligence, is indeed an art that transcends mere observation. It requires a blend of mindfulness, creativity, and analytical skill. By honing this ability, individuals become equipped to navigate complexities, innovate solutions, and understand the intricacies of the world. In an era where information flows relentlessly, the ability to see beyond particulars and recognize patterns can transform how we understand our lives and environments. As we develop this skill, we are not just interpreting facts, but we can find the beauty and order in the universe. Embrace the art of seeing patterns beyond the particulars, unlock a new realm of possibilities and insights that lie just beneath the surface of your everyday experience. This is what I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you for watching and have a great life.